Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. The comfort zone is where everything feels easy and familiar, but growth stops there. When you don't challenge yourself, learning stops. Stepping outside the comfort zone feels difficult at first, but that's where growth happens. Every new attempt reduces fear little by little. Everyone who is successful today once left their comfort zone. The comfort zone keeps you safe but not strong. To grow, you must learn to accept discomfort. If you don't take risks today, you may regret tomorrow. Start with small changes, a new habit, a new challenge. So leave your comfort zone because your best version is waiting there. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.